feel the joy that's all around the soul? Grab a hand today. Do you feel what I feel? Do you know what I know? Do you see what I see? Wanna go where I wanna go, when you know I'm feeling like a long time waiting for someone divine, baby. It's you. Maybe do you feel? I love you, man. Thank y'all so much. This is so much fun, man. This is so much fun to just share the album live with y'all. You know what I'm saying? And everyone on this stage is on the album. You know, these are my brothers. These are my people. This is my community. These are the people who came together and helped me finish this album a year ago. So thank you, everybody on stage. I love y'all, man. And, please welcome on guitar, special guest Neil Felder. So last year I had the honor of meeting the man who produced my favorite all-time album, any genre, any style, Marvin Gaye's I Want You. Of course, that's Leon Ware, you know. And what can I say, you know, it was like, I met Pino Palladino and Leon Ware in the same year, and got to write with both of them. And what was really fascinating about Leon Ware is that he talked about himself and Marvin Gaye and Al Green as coming from jazz, knowing the standards, knowing the history and tradition, loving Nat King Cole, loving Ray Charles, you know, loving Nancy Wilson, loving Cannonball Adderley. They loved them. That was in their hearts, you know. Then they took all that passion and energy into Motown and into all the albums we love, you know. So that was the spirit that Leon gave me and put into this album. So much love to Leon Ware. This one's going out to him. It's called Burning Space. Shadows on my face, shadows on the wall.